Okay, so what we have here is what looks like a normal LED bulb of MR16 fitting. Now normally you would think 12 volt, 99% or more, 999% would be 12 volt. This isn't, it's 220 volt, well actually anything from 110 to 240 volt it would work on. The main problem with these bulbs is they are not encapsulated. As you can probably see, there is no glass cover. So basically, the terminals, the contacts and terminals carry high voltage. You can see that the connections to the LED, solder connections to the LEDs, could be easily touched. Also, hopefully we can focus on it. You can see a positive and negative marking over to the left there. Now, we put a test meter on those and we was pretty shocked to find out that there was over 200 volts DC on those terminals. When we delve deeper into this by actually opening up one of these LED bulbs to look inside, this is what we found. Now the LED PC board prized off fairly easy with a Stanley blade with a sharp knife. There is the MR16 fitting, and as you can see the glass carrier has been removed. Now here's the PC board, which is basically a very simple full wave bridge rectifier. There's no protection there whatsoever. That capacitor there that you can see, you might be able to see the markings on it, 400 volt DC working. Sorry, 400 volt AC, and that is a 1005 microfarad. There's a 1 mega ohm resistor, looks to be about quarter watt. And directly across the output of the bridge is a 4.7 microfarad at 400 volt. And that is directly across the power supply to the LEDs. It's about as crude as you could possibly get. No isolation transformer. Now, as I say, the worst thing about these is the LEDs are not encapsulated. So by touching your finger, if something happened, you know, it's life. A cobweb, you dust it off. Oh yeah, okay. And you'd probably get a shock at the same time. This was bought off of eBay. A pack of 4 of these bulbs were bought off of eBay. And according to my next door neighbour, which just happens to be a very highly skilled electronics engineer, these are fake and dangerous. So be very careful when you're buying bulbs off of eBay. We also done a very quick sketch of the circuit. To those of you who understand it, that is the circuit of the power supply. Yes, just a rough drawing, but I'm sure that the electronic buffs out there will understand that. And as you can see, no encapsulation on the main PC board, on the LED PC board, with exposed terminals. Someone's going to get a shock.